How to change username on Scout. Are you guys facing issue to change your username on Scout application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change username on Scout application, first of all, open Scout app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, you'll be forwarded to this interface. To change your username, just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. After you click on it, you can see this option for edit over here. Tap on edit. After you click on edit, you will be forwarded to this interface where you can see multiple options. You are looking to change your name, right? Just simply tap on your profile name. As soon as you click on your profile name, now just simply delete all this text and write on the name according to your preference. After you write it down, just simply tap on check mark. Now go back to your profile or click this cross icon. Scroll down. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change your name on Scout application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.